Alright, so we have exam likely questions here. We have our 12. How many maximum electrons are in each of the following set of quantum numbers? Then what is the designation? Alright, so I'll be explaining this in a jiffy. Now, whenever you have three quantum numbers, that is n equals to 4, n equals to 2, ml equals to -1, okay? Or n equals to 5, n equals to 3, ml equals to 2. Whenever you're given three quantum numbers, the maximum number of electrons will always be 2. The reason is that to determine the maximum number of electrons, you can always consider the last quantum number. So if you're giving n equals to 4, and l equals to 2, and ml equals to -1, remember that an orbital can hold a maximum of 2 electrons, right? So it means that this will be 2 electrons. Now if they give you only n and l, if they give you only n and l, which one will you consider? L. When n is 2, what is the maximum number of electrons? When n is 2, what is the subshell? D now. This is not D. Yes. So how many electrons can be in D? 10. So this one is what? 10 electrons. Remember, I explained all of this in the video on quantum numbers. So then if they give you only n equals to 4, how many electrons can this hold? Remember, you have 2n squared, you know, 2 raised to 4 squared. 4 squared is 16, so you can hold what? 32 what? Electrons. Are you seeing it? So when they give you only n, you consider n using this formula. When they give you n and l, consider l using the list I gave you. I told you that s can hold just 2, and s is when we have s, l is equals to 0. P, L is equals to 1, D, L is equals to 2, F, L is equals to 4, G, L is equals to what? L is equals to what? That's 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? S is 0, P is 1, D is 2, F is what? 3, then G is what? 4, right? Good. So, but if they give you N, L, and ML, you consider NL. And if they give you NL and ML, it will always be what? 2 electrons. So our B is also 2 electrons. Alright? So now let us look at designation. So what is the designation of the orbital for n equals to 3, n equals to 2, and m equals to -2? Okay? So alright, so we want to look at designation now. So what is the designation of the orbital for n equals to 3, n equals to 2, and m equals to -2? I told you that m and ml are the same. Now look at this. I want to show you this. When it comes to designation, for P, remember that P is equals to 1, right? How many orbitals? -1, 0, and 1, right? Now designation for P, particular orbital designation for P, when it is -1 is px, 0 is py, y1 is pz. This for P equals to 1. Then for S is just S. S is just S. Because S, we have only one orbital. And the destination is just S. You understand the destination when we start doing these exercises. Now for D, when D is the subshell, L is what? L is 2 now, is it not? Answer me. L is what? 2. So the orbitals are -2, 0, -2 what? -1, 0, 1, and 2. Designations are dxy, dxz, okay, dyz rather, dyz, dxz, then dx squared minus y squared, then dz squared, dxy, dyz, dxz, dx squared minus y squared, and dz squared. So these are the orbital designations for D. Alright? So now let us now work on it based on the exercises we have. Now we are being told that when n is equals to 3, l is equals to 2, and n is equals to -2. First of all, remember that this 3 here is the energy level, right? the energy level, right? So the energy level, the designation, the full designation will be like this. Energy level is 3. When it is L, what is the subshell? When L is 2, what is the subshell? D. Alright? 3D. Then N equals to -2. N equals to -2, you now come here. When N is equals to -2, what do we have? dxy. So dxy, this is your answer. That's the designation. As simple as that. Okay? As simple as that. Then look at the next one, n equals to 2, n equals to 1, n equals to 0. Okay? Now let's use this space to do it. Okay? Your n is 2, right? So what should come first? 2, right?
Yes.
When n is 1, what is the subshell?
P.
P, good. M is 0, right? Right?
Yes.
So when M is 0, what do we have?
Y.
Py. So this is the answer, 2py. As simple as that, that's how destination is done. So I want you to do this. N equals to 4, L equals to 2, and ML, remember I told you that ML and M are the same. ML equals to 1. So please quickly